Okay, this is typical where the first two problems I put a lot of work down. This one, there's not a lot of work down. So what I want to do is I don't want to keep writing down all the terms. So I'm just going to write down, A1 is equal to minus 7/3. And then, I have to insert 9 things here. So I hope you realize that this last term, if I insert 9 things, that would be A11. And no, I'm not going to write down A2, A3, blah, blah, blah. And what's A11? It's 6. All right, so you notice I'm not writing it all down now. I'm not writing A2, A3. I'll get them, but I want to now do what I need to do, which is figure out the D. So A11, which is 6, that's going to equal A1, which is minus 7/3, plus 10D. I would multiply both sides by 3. You get 18. That would be minus 7 plus 30 D. I'd add 7 to both sides. You get 25, and then I divide by 30. And 25 divided by 30 is going to be 5/6. All right, that's what the D is. So I'm going to say it's fairly easy to do this, but I realize for me to do it, I got to write this in the same denominator, which can be minus 14/6. All right, so what do I have to add on? I got to keep adding on 5/6. Okay, I'm going to write it down next to the answer key, and I just want to see if I can do it. All right, so I definitely get minus 7/3 in the beginning and 6 in the end. So I hope you realize what we're doing is we're just adding on 5/6. Well, what would you get over there if you had minus 5/6? I'm sorry, if you added 5/6, you'd get minus 9/6. All right, I don't think that's too bad to do. Now, minus 9/6, I don't mind writing it down that way. I actually prefer it that way, but they reduce it. And what would that reduce to? Minus 3/2. Now, what I'm going to do is add on 5/6 to that, and what would that give you? Minus 4/6. Well, minus 4/6 reduces to minus 2/3. And then what do? I add 5/6 to that, which would give you 1/6. That's done. No reductions there. Then what do? I add 5/6 to that. What would you get there? 6/6. It gives you that number, which is 1. Then what do I add on? 5/6. That would give you 11/6. I'm seeing that there. Then what do? Add 5/6. That's going to give you 16/6. What's 16/6? Well, that reduces to 8/3. All right. Then what do? Add 5/6. What do you get? 21/6. 21/6 reduces to 7/2. All right. Okay. What's the next one going to be? 25/6. Did I say that right? I'm sorry, 26/6. I'm adding 5 on, and that reduces to 13/3. Then you add another 5/6 on. What do you get? Well, it's going to be 31/6. I'm seeing that there. Add another 5 on. You get 36/6, which is the number 6. All right. All right. Let me go to the next one. But again, I can't have said this enough times. Is we're just doing homework by this. Right. This is not neatly typed up. I want to point out if you're neatly typing things up, they should look like what we're doing over here. Me writing the formulas down, putting down the numbers, doing some algebra maybe. You don't do like the baby arithmetic, but you should be writing things up neatly if you're going to present it to somebody, which for the most part in the blue area it is. With the exception over here, I'm just checking to make sure I can do them right. And that's what we're trying to encourage you to do as well. Thank you.